10 health benefits and facts about Himalayan salt. Himalayan salt is rock salt mined from the Punjab region of Pakistan. It's minimally processed to provide a natural alternative to regular table salt. The rock salt is about 98% sodium chloride. The remaining 2% of Himalayan salt is made up of different minerals and elements. Sodium maintains fluid balance and facilitates the healthy functioning of muscles and nerves. It is said to contain 0.1% magnesium, 0.28% potassium, and 0.16% calcium. Himalayan salt is said to contain 84 minerals that our bodies need. It is antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory. Himalayan salt is less artificial, and does not usually contain additives. The minerals in edible pink salt are said to aid digestion. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more fascinating food facts.